So you might be trying to figure out how you can put your AirPods 4s into pairing mode. As you can probably see, there is no longer a back button on these particular AirPods, so there's no way for you to hold down anything on this back of these AirPods. So how do you put these in pairing mode? Well, it's actually a very easy process. You'll see on the front of your display, you will have a little LED light. So if I go and shut this down, you'll see that little LED light right there. Well, if you want to, you can actually go through and double tap on the basically where the light is on this particular LED light right there, and it will go ahead and put your AirPods into pairing mode. So I'll go and demonstrate this again, right? If I go and have and I'm not going to use an iPhone in this case, I'll just use my Android phone, because if you're watching this, you might be trying to connect it to an Android phone. If you go through into out of your Bluetooth settings of your Android device, as you can see right here, I have all my devices right here, my available devices. These are now my AirPods. If I go and basically double tap on the front side of my AirPods, you have to shut the case down first, and then bring the case back open, and then double tap on the light. You'll see that they'll go in pairing mode right here with this white LED light, and you should see, hopefully, if I go and click on scan on my Android phone, you should see these AirPods come up at the very bottom right here, and you'll basically see right now, they're now in pairing mode right there, and you'll see that they're now fully paired up. So now what I can do is I can go and tap onto these AirPods right here, and basically pair them up just like so. But that's basically how you do it. You have to go through and double tap on the light, the LED indicator light right there, to basically go ahead and get these things into pairing mode. And then if you want to get them out of pairing mode, you can pair them up with your device, or you can just go through and shut the case and they'll sync back up with the previous device that you just had. So that's basically how it's done. It's a very basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.